Hello guys, what's going on? Today we are going to make this piece. It's good, no? It's very beautiful. And it is made on Onshape.com. Okay, so here are the measures. They are very hard to understand, but it is not your job. Today is my job to explain all that thing in a little bit shorter video. So let's start. The first part to make this piece is to make a sketch in the front face that starts in the origin of the front face. This is the sketch that corresponds to this side of the piece. So here we have the sketch number 1, and these are the measures. 50. And the most important part is the circle because it will help you to make something in the future. Well, in the next sketch it is easier just to make this thing. It is not very hard. The next thing, it's to make an extrude. You just click extrude and select the sketch number 1, and then you will have something like that. A square, well, no, it is not a square, a rectangle with a circle in the middle. We can see that it is 70 millimeters to the deep, and it is like that. It is not hard. This part is not hard, it's something easy, but then we have to cut this thing. This thing is cut. It's easy, just make that sketch in the top, specifically in this side, because if you just do in top it will be harder for you to make this sketch. So you just select that face. The sketch is something like that. It is just a rectangle. It is not hard to make. Then the next part is to extrude, well, in this case to remove that sketch. And it is important to say that you have to click on through all, because if you make some fixes in your piece, you have to make something in that. So if you click in through all, it will help you to be easier, and you will have something like that. It is similar, it is that thing. Then the next part that we have to do is to make the arc that comes in that way, that it is this part of the sketch. So we have to make a sketch in this side. The sketch is easier. You just put a line that weighs 35 millimeters, then 30 millimeters. That represents this and this measure. And the arc, it's just simple. It's a 3-point arc. One point is here, and then the other point is here, and it is 60 degrees to make it. Then we just add these 2 lines to complete the section. And you know what? You have to extrude it again. Extrude again and click in through all, and it automatically cut in both sides. So we have learned the similar part, well, the easiest part. It is this part. So then the next part is to make this sketch that is just a square, a midpoint square. To make it, another do a sketch in this face and add this point that is in the center of the face, and you just click on that and center point a rectangle, and it make it automatically. So then we extrude it because it will help you in the next part. The next sketch that we have to do is to make a sketch in the side. And you know what? It is very strange to make. We just adds another rectangle to make it 100 millimeters, like it. Then the next part is to cut this thing to make it that thing, the square, well, the pyramid side. And to make it, we just add a sketch in this face that is like that. It's important to put here the 30 degrees, sorry, because it will help you to make it easier. Then we just remove this and this section, and it will be something like that. Another time to roll. Then the next sketch, it's to make it is made in this face, and the same thing that we do here, we do in this face. It's important to do in this face, not in this face, in this. Then we just remove these sections, and then it would be like that. And it is, I think it's just it's the same. Then we add the circle, and then we extrude it, well, we remove it and be something like that, and then it's over, so you have your new piece. Thank you for all, goodbye.